In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $2,020.51 using this exact model that I'm going to teach you in this video. And the best part about this method goes viral by itself. You don't need to produce any content. You don't need to be on camera. This is not going to be spamming affiliate links anywhere. This is not going to be surveys or CPA marketing or anything like that. This is really going to be unique. It's going to be a form of affiliate marketing, but something that you've never seen before. So we're going to hop straight into my computer and I'm going to get straight into this value pack video. Hi guys, my name is Jay from the Millionaire Mindset channel. On this channel, I'm super passionate in documenting my journey on making money online and giving you insights into that to hopefully give you as much as value as possible. So in today's video, I'm really excited to share this strategy with you guys. And if you are new to the channel, I'm posting daily on this channel. So make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But quickly before we continue, in my previous video, I had a $5 giveaway. In today's video, I'm going to do the same. So this person on the screen, well done to you. You are the $5 giveaway winner. Message me on your comments or reply to your comments, the pinned comment on this video. I can see your account ID so I know which account it is, and with your PayPal so I can send you that $5. But if in this video, if you want to win $5, count how many times I say the word money throughout this video. That is from second number 1. The first person to comment down below the right answer will win $5, and I will announce that in tomorrow's video. But like I said, let's get straight into my computer. So step number 1, you're going to come over to a website called canva.com where we can design basic, simple little graphic designs. Don't worry, this is not going to be creating designs and going to post this in Facebook groups, hoping people are going to click on your link or selling them or anything like that. It's going to be something really unique and different. So right here on the screen, I want to show you a little picture that I made that automatically actually goes viral by itself on Instagram, which is really cool. And it kind of does the magic itself. So it's basically an autopilot image that everybody starts to share, and then this becomes viral. And this is how I made my first $2,020 in a day. So what you do is you're going to create a little banner or a little square picture like this. You can go to Canva and you want to type in Instagram. You want to click on Instagram post. Click on Instagram post, you'll see a ton of templates over here that you can use. This is the one that I designed, and this is a design that I like, and I put this here. Share to win. Free training on how to earn a 6-figure side income online worth $2,020. Read description to enter. Then on the description, I've got welcome to the launch of our brand new page at Make Money During Lockdown, where we have an awesome competition. You could win a training valued at $2,020 on how to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business or earn a side hustle income from home. To enter these following steps, share this post on your story, follow at Make Money on Lockdown, click on the link in the bio to submit your entry. You must do all of the above to enter. So right now this may seem a little bit foreign, but I'm going to explain to you how this is all going to add up. So firstly, the biggest thing is we want to get other people to share this post so they can win this free training, obviously in the entrepreneurship and make money online niche. And I'm going to show you how we can get this training and this course and become an affiliate for it, and how I made my first $2,000 in commissions with this. So you can see you're obviously going to have a link in your bio to that because that's part of the instructions. So I want to take you to a website called Digistore24. What's nice about this and why I chose this over ClickBank is because ClickBank is not accepted in every country in the world. For those of you that are on ClickBank, you're welcome to use products from there as well. Digistore is just an alternative where everybody can sign up anywhere in the world. So what I like about this, they've got this one course on here called Super Affiliate System 2020, which is actually John Crestani's course. I've personally taken this course myself. It's a very good course and I've learned a lot from it, and I've built multiple affiliate side hustle and main income affiliate businesses using information from this course. And you can see John Crestani has appeared in Forbes, ABC, NBC, Fox News, CNBC, Entrepreneur.com. So it is he is a reputable entrepreneur with a very good course. And every time someone purchases his course through your link, you're going to get $2,020.51 in commission. But on his page, if I actually click on my affiliate link, I'm going to show you what the landing page has. You will see over here, he actually has a free training, a 40-minute free training, kind of like a live webinar that you can sign up for in the next few days, and he will teach you the basics of affiliate marketing, and then obviously from there it will upsell to his bigger course. But what's nice about this training, I've actually been using this as kind of like a giveaway on Instagram to go and make itself go viral. So I've been signing up a lot of people using my affiliate link on Instagram that's going viral for itself, and then people are signing up into his course and I get commissions for that. And one sale got me $2,020 like I showed in the beginning of this video. So there's a few ways that we can go about in promoting this image and getting started with our page. Step number one is we can go and post this on our page as the first post on our new Instagram page that we've just created. So you don't need any followers, you don't need any likes, you don't need an audience or anything like that. That's what this post is all about, and that's what this post is going to do. So you can use multiple apps that I'm going to show you in this video or right now that will help you get a bit of growth and get people to start sharing this post. Firstly, you want to post this on your page and you want to use an app called Hashtag Experts, which actually generates a whole bunch of hashtags or viral hashtags right now related to the keyword that you enter into this app, helping you and a lot more people seeing your post on the Explore page, making it go viral quicker, faster, getting you more likes. I use this app for my personal Instagram page and I see about 100% more likes, double the amount of likes from people that don't even follow me when using this app. So you can enter, for example, make money online into this app and it's going to generate you a whole bunch of hashtags like you can see over here related to make money online, and you put that in the description of your post and you post that. And you can also go follow and unfollow people. I really recommend that. So go follow people like Dwayne Johnson, the top celebrities in the world, even entrepreneurship pages or course pages, and you go follow them, go unfollow them, and people will see the name of your Instagram page. They will check it out. If they see the post, they know how to enter the competition. And you can also use an app called Post Early, which actually costs not a lot. This is not required, it just will help a lot. I use the $16 a month package where I actually automate Instagram pages, and you can add up to 16 accounts and you can completely automate them and run automated Instagram businesses, whether it's affiliate marketing businesses, shout out businesses, just you want to grow an audience and monetize that later on. This is really a handy application for those that are serious about Instagram, because you can have welcome DMs, you can have auto reposts, comment likers, auto unfollow, auto unlike, auto likes, auto comments, and all of that. So which is really handy for growing a page automatically, and you just sit back and relax. And then you can shortcut everything if you have like a quick $20, $30 in your pockets. So I like to use Instagram influencing. It's one of my favorite ways of marketing. I've been talking about this quite a bit lately, but it really is powerful. So again, I'm going to show you how to go through this. All you can do is you can come over to a website called Influencer Cart or Shoutcart, which is an alternative where we can go and find big Instagram pages in specific niches, and we can pay them $20, $30 to shout out our post. For example, a page might have 50,000 followers. We pay them $20 to do like a swipe up feature on their story. And then that's how the post gets started, and that's how we kickstart the virality of the post. So you can see here, we're going to come over to Browse Influencers, same on Influencer Cart, Browse Influencers, and you will see here a ton of pages. For example, niches as well. Success Den, this is a good one, obviously related to success. So it's probably a luxury and motivation niche page. So we can actually go and copy this page link. We can come over to Instagram and we actually want to paste this into Instagram. And why we want to do this is because we want to analyze how the engagement is doing, because you obviously don't want to buy a shout out on a page with dead followers or dead likes, because you're going to get no engagement. So you can see currently they've got 136,000 followers. If I hover over their posts, they're getting 3,000 likes, 1,000 likes. It's not bad. I always like to choose a page that is getting between 8 and 10% likes to follow ratio. So for example, if you have 100,000 followers and you're getting about 8,000 likes per post, that's what you're looking for. Anything less than that, the engagement is not good. Anything more is obviously brilliant. And all you're going to do is just go and look for another page on Influencer Cart. So this another one that I found is called United Billionaire, which again is all about motivation and the luxury niche. So I actually found them on Instagram as well. You can see they just posted quotes. So it's very motivational content, which suits this kind of niche. And if I have a look at their followers, 237k followers, and I can see they are getting about 2,000 likes, 6,000 likes, 4,000 likes. The engagement is pretty good. It could be better, but considering they're only starting from $30 from a shout out, which is not bad. And remember, story views get a lot more views than that of like posts. For example, my personal Instagram page has about 9,200 followers. I get maybe about 500 to 1,000 likes per post, or 300 to 500 likes per post, but my story views are well over 2,000. So story views usually get a lot more views. And you want to particularly do a story shout out so people can see this giveaway, and then obviously have the link in your bio to the affiliate link of DGT Store 24 in your Instagram page that you've just created. So then how that works is people will see this post, visit your page, and obviously participate in this giveaway. And remember, one person shares, they share it, they share it, they share it. It just takes 1 or 2 people to share it for that kind of post to go viral. So I recommend set up multiple posts like this, set up multiple different giveaways to like free training, and set up multiple different viral pages. You can then go and set them up with like post early and go automate them and completely make your content go viral and get a ton of signups to your affiliate link. And 1 or 2 people, let's say if 1,000 people click on your link, 3 of them just purchase, that is $6,000 in commissions with particularly John Crestani's course. So that's just one way to really get high ticket sales, is using the power of virality with Instagram. So that was my video for today. I really hope you got a lot of value from this, and I hope you're going to take action from this, as I saw my first sale and I was pretty chuffed doing this, using this strategy. So I'm really hoping that you can replicate this too. So on the screen, I will leave my affiliate marketing playlist to help you out with other affiliate marketing strategies to help you get started with affiliate marketing with other different methods and business models that I've documented on this channel already. So on the screen, I will leave a link or like a little square box that you can go and click on that playlist if you want to check that out. But if you decide not to, just at least leave a like on the video. I will really appreciate that. But until then, take care and I'll see you soon.